I'm going to open up a 1988 Fleer pack. Clean design, white border. Let's see who we got. Detroit Tigers sticker. I know just who to get that to. Mike Smithson, Kevin Gross, Brooke Jacoby. Hey, Eric Davis. Nice. McGuire, record setter. Ken Caminiti rookie. Jack McDowell rookie. Jody Davis. Robin Yant, Brewer Hall of Famer. Vincente Palacios. Fun name to say. Another one back there. Oh, yeah, let's see. There we are. Hey, Edgar Martinez, Hall of Fame rookie. Chili Davis, another Hall of Famer, Alan Trammell, Mark Grant, and finally, Pete Stanisek, 1988 Fleer.